Have you ever wondered what makes a person really attractive? It's not only about looks, it's also about having skills and qualities that express charm and confidence. First, we'll take a look at confidence as a beneficial quality. Being confident helps you glow from the inside out and attracts people to you like a magnet. Others will also have trust in your ability and self-belief. Communication skills come next. Making deep relationships needs the ability to communicate efficiently and listen carefully. Have good communication skills to build trust and promote positive relationships. Let's go on and discuss resiliency. Although there will always be ups and downs in life, how you handle difficulties says a lot about your resilience. Develop your resilience by accepting obstacles and rising up from failures. Empathy is yet another important ability. Empathy allows you to understand others more deeply and establish stronger connections with them. Observe how your relationships improve when you are aware of and empathize for the experiences of others. And lastly, let us not forget kindness. Being kind to others spreads like wildfires and makes a lasting effect on everyone you meet. Show kindness wherever you go and see how it makes others around you and your own life happier. Before we get to the end of our discussion on attractive skills for females, keep in mind that beauty is more than just physical looks. It's about everything about you. You may reach your full potential and grow into the best version of yourself by learning these abilities: passion, kindness, resilience, communication, confidence, and resilience. Accept these qualities, put them into practice every day, and see how they improve your relationships, chances, and general well-being. You have the ability to convey happiness and attract wonderful things into your life. So with all the tools at your fingertips to shine effectively in this world, go forward with confidence. Are you prepared to boost your confidence and inner beauty? Stay with us on our channel for more inspirational videos on developing beautiful skills for women and continue on the path to become the greatest version of yourself today.